And Eliza sat in her garage, so we've used a blanket as a garage. And the idea is she's going to go and get a different vehicle, which we've set out. Okay, and we're going to use different fundamental movement skills to get those different cars, buses, trains, fast cars, police cars, anything you can think of is there. Okay, you ready, Liz? Okay, can you run and get a vehicle off a green spot? Go. So for the younger ones, they're learning about their colours as well. Green spot. Go, 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 go. Okay, can you, in 3 seconds, get a pink car? Go, 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 go. She's got 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Can you, in 3 seconds, pick up 3 different vehicles? Go, 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 go. So again, learning about counting if you've got some really young kids in there. Brilliant, well done. Eliza, can you crawl and get something that digs up the road? Go, 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 go. Crawl, 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 crawl. What digs up the road? What digs up the road? And bring it back and bring it back. Okay, so she's at the moment, she's sitting down. Okay, she needs to work out what's best. Does she stand? Does she sit? So there's a bit of a decision-making process goes on. What's the best type of ball that she needs to use?
This was good one.
Okay.
But I want to try the unicorn.
Does she hit any?
I'm gonna hit
Yeah,
that
well
one.
done. Go, 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 go.
What if I hit 2?
Okay, just one at a time. Okay, I'm going to give you 10 more seconds. See how many you can get. 10, 9,
Did I hit that one?
8,
Yeah, I got
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Can she get back in time? Can she get back in time? She's always collecting the ball. She's bringing them back. Okay, well done, Liz. Wave goodbye.
I got 4. Bye.
Well done.